Tired of dealing with mold, dust, and gaps in your kitchen or bathroom? Say hello to the waterproof sealing tape. Made from durable PMMA material, this tape is waterproof, transparent, and super adhesive yet easy to remove without residue. It's perfect for sealing gaps around sinks, showers, and countertops. Plus, it's multifunctional. Use it for car doors, table edges, and more. Available in various lengths and thicknesses, it's simple to cut, stick, and secure. Just make sure the surface is clean and dry, and for the best results, use a hair dryer to enhance flexibility. Want one for yourself? Buy this item now. Check the link in the description and visit Review TV for the full review.